Guys, welcome to our new review of our latest and newest product called the TDD Road King. Guys, let's start with the unboxing. So, tingnan natin anong laman ng box for the TDD Road King. So, ito yung inclusions niya. 2 pieces ng lights, of course. Then, may sinama na kaming LED light cover na color black. And 2 pieces also of all-weather lens cap. So, yan yung yellow na nakita nyo na nakapalibot sa ilaw. So, this is what it looks like, yung ating TDD Road King. As you can see, itsura pa lang, and even from the start, everything looks very premium because everything is made from heavy-duty materials. So, from the bolts, the casings, to the lenses and the wires. So, everything is premium. Made to last for long rides, rainy days, and all-weather conditions. Included na din yung nuts and bolts, Allen screw, then yung 2-wire connectors, and syempre yung base connector ng mismong ilaw. And now let's have a closer look of the TDD Road King and the materials included. So let's start with the yellow lens cap of the light. So ito yung ilalagay natin pag gusto natin yung output ng ilaw niya is color yellow. So it is very easy to install, as you can see in the video. Madali lang siyang ipasok dun sa mismong ilaw. And very portable din siya. Pwede sa compartment ng motorcycle or sa ating mga bags pag nagra-ride. So it is that easy to install. You just put it around the light and kakapit na yung mismong rubber niya. So yan yung magiging itsura niya pagka nakakabit na. So madali lang din siyang tanggalin. You will just remove the rubber around the light and tanggal na kagad yung yellow lens cap. For the specs of this light, yung power output ng Road King is 70 watts. It is IP68 waterproof and dustproof. The maximum range of this light is 500 meters and it is compatible to all types of motorcycles, adventure bikes, sport bikes, scooters, classic bikes, and small bikes also. You can mount this light on crash guards and any motorcycle brackets as long as kaya nung bracket yung weight. So, the weight of this light is around 0.6 kilograms per light. So, ang total is around 1.2 kilogram. For TDD Road King, we've included a LED light cover in the package. So, pag hindi natin siya gagamitin, pwede natin siyang takpan. So, madali lang siya install. Tatanggalin lang natin yung yellow light cover. Then, ilalagay natin yung black na acrylic dun sa rubber. And then, ipapasok lang siya dun sa ilaw. So, TDD Road King is made up of 7 LED beads per light. So, itong LED beads na to, ang output niya is spotlight. So, it emits a very powerful high intensity and a long-range spot beam on the road. The beam is color white, and as we've mentioned before, pwede natin siyang gawing yellow pag nilagay natin yung all-weather lens cap. So, TDD Road King only has 2 wires. So, ang wiring niya is on and off lang. Very basic installation. So, pwede tayong gumamit ng any on and off switch sa ilaw na to. Pwede din natin gawing sa ilaw na yung isang light merong all-weather lens cap and yung isa wala. So, ang output niya is combined na yellow and white beams. And now, let's look at the actual light output of TDD Road King. So, this is the white light. Very powerful and high intensity. And ito naman yung naka-yellow lens cover. So, high intensity din and nakita nyo very long range. As you can see sa sample, yung ilaw niya, it covers 2 to 4 lanes of the road. It is because it is composed of 7 separate spot beams. So, napakalawak ng buga niya and malaki yung sakop. So guys, ito naman yung sample installation ni TDD Road King. So this one, nakakabit siya sa crash guard. So as you can see, nakabaliktad naman dito yung mounting bracket niya. So Road King, it can be installed on many different ways. Depende na lang sa inyo kung paano nyo siya ikakabit sa motorcycle. So that's it for this review. If you have more questions, you can message us in our FB page, TDD Philippines. You can also watch other reviews of our products in our YouTube channel. It is also named TDD Philippines. You can also check out our website at tddphilippines.com for the full specifications of our products. Thank you guys for watching. Ride safe, everyone.